Fuck the Michael Chase, a legend in these streets just like that nigga Michael Frank.
Smoking key lime OG, and this car got 2 seats. When I hop out, it dank, you can smell it on me. Handle that shit myself, I ain't gon' call police. Keep that bitch on a leash or keep that bitch from round me. Yeah.
What is up, Tater Tot Gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you comment down below. You know. Anyways, today I'm about to be doing the coughing up blood prank on my mama. Right now, she's in the kitchen, so we about to see her reaction. She probably ain't gonna care. Like, I play so much, she's not gonna care. But let's go ahead and get into the video with these long intros. Let's go set up the camera. Alright, so I'm about to hide it behind this candy. Why am I struggling with life? What? We got Kool-Aid. It's strawberry red. Strawberry red, right? That was a dumb question.
What?
I think I'm possessed. Huh? Ew.
What the fuck is... Girl, go now. You mess up my stuff. Tata, what the hell? What the hell? Tata, what's wrong with you? What the fuck wrong with you? Yeah. Turn. Turn. You can step in. Like, stop playing with me. Damn! You lame! She was up here doing a prank, but go to them.
That was a waste of my time.
Yes, it was.
So freaking low. Just
Come out the bag.
I'm wasting my time. Now I gotta clean up my mess. Really, mama?
You should have played it off a little bit.
I tried to play it off. And you walked off when I was dying. How I switch this? Alright, y'all. So that was an epic fail, but make sure you tune in to my next video. Bye.